In this video, I'll break down the top 5 carpet shampoos and which carpet shampoo I found to be the best. I'll go in descending order, starting with the 5th ranked pick, and at the end of the video, you'll find out which one, in my opinion, is the best carpet shampoo and ranked at number 1. If you're wanting to check prices of each of the products, check out the links in the description as I've linked to each of the products mentioned. At number 5, we have the Dirt Devil Pet Carpet Cleaner Solution. This is our 5th ranked pick, but is still a great choice. For those on a budget, it is a powerful formula specifically designed to tackle pet-related messes. Its standout feature is its ability to break down and remove tough pet stains and odors effectively, making it ideal for households with pets. This concentrated solution is compatible with full-size carpet cleaners, ensuring deep cleaning for carpets, upholstery, stairs, and more. One of the highlights of this product is its tropical breeze scent, which leaves your home smelling fresh and revitalized after use. Additionally, it's formulated without phosphates, phthalates, or parabens, offering a safer cleaning option for homes with children and pets when used as directed. The solution works efficiently to lift dirt and stains while refreshing your space, making it a reliable choice for maintaining clean and odor-free carpets. At number 4, we have the Shark XCM48 Deep Clean Pro Formula. The Shark XCM48 is a standout carpet shampoo due to its powerful stain and odor removal capabilities. Formulated to tackle tough messes, it effectively lifts dirt, grime, and even stubborn pet stains from carpets, upholstery, and area rugs. Its advanced cleaning agents are designed to penetrate deep into fibers, breaking down embedded debris while neutralizing odors like smoke and pet urine. This makes it particularly effective for high-traffic areas or homes with pets. One of its key features is its compatibility with Shark's Oxy Multiplier, which enhances stain-fighting power by activating on contact for deeper cleaning. The formula is non-toxic and safe for use on various surfaces, ensuring versatility without compromising safety. Additionally, it leaves behind a refreshed scent, making rooms feel cleaner and more inviting. At number 3, we have the 3D Extractor Shampoo. The 3D Extractor Shampoo is an impressive low-foam formula designed specifically for use with carpet extractor machines, making it ideal for tackling tough stains and grime on carpets, upholstery, and fabric surfaces. Its standout feature is its ability to clean and deodorize in one step while leaving no sticky residue behind. The inclusion of optical brighteners restores the original vibrancy of materials, giving them a like-new appearance without fading or discoloration. This shampoo excels at removing heavy soiling, grease, food spills, pet stains, and more. Its low-foam composition ensures smooth operation with extractors, preventing potential damage to equipment caused by excessive suds. Additionally, the biodegradable formula aligns with eco-friendly standards, making it safe for various environments. The concentrated formula is highly effective even in small amounts, offering flexibility in dilution ratios for different cleaning needs. At number 2, we have the Sunny and Honey Carpet Miracle. This is our runner-up pick and stands out for its powerful formula that effectively removes deep stains and neutralizes odors, leaving carpets and upholstery looking refreshed. Designed for use with a variety of carpet cleaning machines, its highly concentrated, biodegradable formula penetrates deeply into fibers to tackle tough messes like pet accidents, wine spills, and dirt buildup. The shampoo is non-toxic, cruelty-free, and scented with essential oils, making it safe for use around kids and pets. It doesn't leave residue, ensuring carpets remain clean longer without attracting dirt. What makes this product exceptional is its versatility. It works on carpets, rugs, car upholstery, and even furniture. The light lavender scent adds a subtle freshness to spaces. Whether revitalizing dull carpets or addressing stubborn stains, this solution delivers professional-grade results at home. Its eco-friendly ingredients and odor deodorizing capabilities make it a reliable choice for maintaining a clean environment. At number 1, we have the Rocco and Roxie Carpet Cleaner Solution. This is the best carpet shampoo you can buy on the market and is a standout choice for tackling tough stains and odors on carpets and upholstery. Its professional strength formula is powered by natural enzymatic bacteria, which activate on contact with organic messes like pet urine, vomit, or other stains. These enzymes break down the proteins in the mess, effectively eliminating the source of the odor rather than just masking it. This makes it particularly effective for households with pets or children where accidents are common. What sets this cleaner apart is its versatility and safety. It's chlorine-free and color-safe, making it gentle on carpets, fabrics, and even delicate surfaces while still being tough on grime. The solution is certified safe for use around pets and children, giving peace of mind when cleaning high-traffic areas in your home. Its deep cleaning action not only removes visible stains but also penetrates fibers to lift out embedded dirt and lingering smells. The cleaner works well with carpet cleaning machines or can be used manually for spot treatments. It leaves behind a fresh, subtle scent that isn't overpowering, enhancing the cleanliness of your space. The formula rinses out easily without leaving sticky residues that could attract more dirt over time. Whether you're dealing with an old stain or a fresh spill, Rocco and Roxie delivers consistent results, restoring carpets and upholstery to their original condition with ease. Its reliability and effectiveness make it a trusted option for maintaining a clean and odor-free home. So that sums up my top 5 carpet shampoos I hope you enjoyed. Remember, you can find prices of the products in the description and comments, so make sure you check those out. Until next time, have a great day.